An indigenous plant used by ancient Indians and still prepared by the native communities, the knowledge of which is almost on the decline. The 8th recipe in the series is a very simple, easy to make instant sherbet with lots of medicinal values. Tikhur Palor Sharbat. You can find the links for all the episodes in the description box below. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. Very simple ingredients are required for the preparation. We will need Tikhur globules, available in Chattisgarh, eastern, southern India and Maharashtra. They are also called as Palor, Koove, East Indian Arrowroot powder. This powder is available online too. We will also need mishri or rock sugar. Obtained from sugarcane, mishri is the purest form of sugar with no chemicals added. 500 ml of water is required, 2 teaspoons sabja seeds, 1 teaspoon gum tragacanth or gond katira, also called as edible gum. For the preparation, take 1 teaspoon of gum tragacanth, soak overnight or for 8 to 10 hours. This is a natural gum obtained from the dried sap of certain shrubs. It helps to treat heat stroke, constipation and used in case of burns. Take 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds, soak in water for 2 hours. Take 2 medium cubes of mishri sugar, rock candy, also called as karkandu. Crush into small pieces. Wash in water. Mishri is an energy and immunity booster. It helps relieve cough and cold. Also helps treat anemia and dizziness. For the preparation, to a jar, add 2 tablespoons of dried Palor or Tikhur globules. It is a medicinal rhizome and the starch has cooling effects. It is naturally gluten-free. It is used in the treatment of ulcers, helps in curing worms and in cases of diarrhea. It is also used as a weaning food. Add the rock candy. Not much sugar is required for this drink. It is just to enhance the taste. Add 500 ml water. Close and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and stir again to dissolve completely. The sabja seeds have soaked well. Gond katira has become soft and fluffy. When soaked in water and used like this, it acts as a coolant. To serve, pour the Tikhur Sherbat into glasses. Top up with sabja seeds. Add gond katira. Adding gond katira and sabja seeds is optional. Mix well. Top up with ice cubes. Every time the sherbet is served, it has to be stirred well as the Tikhur powder has the tendency to settle at the bottom. Serve chilled. A healthy, instant drink which pumps up the energy levels in the body, the processing of which is laborious. Reviving and supporting such ethnic preparations will not only enhance the livelihood of the natives but will enhance our well-being too. If you like the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting traditional drink recipe.